Pero kailangan na mag-divide Jollibee. Dahil kailangan niya pa magpasaya ng ibang kids. Pero bago yun, in behalf of Jollibee Link Edward, who would like to extend a grateful thanks sa family po ni Ian at sa lahat ng guests na nandito. Thank you so much po for choosing Jollibee Link Kai to be part of Ian's second birthday party. Okay. Hope to see you next year po. Ingat po kayo sa pag-uwi. Maraming salamat po ulit sa inyong lahat.